Okay, this is the outside of the train. This is the residential area. Very nice. And there's the animal. Well, you can see animal on the river. Apartments. And they still got a new building there. Now the train station is very good, not many people, so it's really good train station. They even have a luggage area. There's a luggage area there. Luggage area. Exit on both sides. So the door opens automatically. You don't have to press the button. There's no button to press. Just when it stops, it opens automatically. And what else? Trying to find a shopping center. So you're not allowed, some rules on the train: no smoking, no chewing gum, like no eating or drink or chewing gum on the metro system. This is the metro system. So kids not allowed to eat. Probably no swearing allowed, no swearing as well. You got the free Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi there. On the train, that's good. Oh, that looks nice, very nice. Oh, nice. Rice field, rice paddock. Nice green grass. There's always water this time of the year on the paddock. So they keep the water always wet all the time. So that's really good. Good for farming. So from the airport to the Taipei main station, it's about 25-30 minutes by train, roughly. So that's good. And it's stopping on station too, so it's about 12-13 stations away. Look at the paddock, look at the rice paddock. So nice. And the house next to it, the apartment next to it. They have different levels as well. Very nice. So welcome to Taiwan. Everyone's excited. Palm tree plantation. So each carriage is open. You walk through from one end to the next. Carriage. That's pretty good stuff. city, it costs more. So it's good to have transport system.
How much? Ticket. Plane ticket.
Oh, we'll work it out later.
$5.
It's like 640 for 4 people. It's 160 each. Yep. 160 is like 16 bucks or something each. And the SIM card is 500. No, 300. I got the receipt. Hmm? 640. That's good. It's good one way. Shortly after this, because when we get off, I'll come back and share with you guys. So we arrived at last stop from airport to Taipei main station. That's where we get off. So about 40 minutes. So here is what it looks like. Nice setup. This is the street, Taipei Street. Quiet. Let's see which side we have to get off, left or right. Let's see. Apparently it's only 5 minutes walk from Metro. Looks like you're going in the underground, in the loop. It's on this side. See the flashing light? That's it. That's how it works.
OK，所以我都話哇，我架車係點啊？一上你簽完，跟住又話要改，又話要咁
So dark.
係啊，我就係我係啊，嗰種哇。
Alright, go to the lift. No, I've got to use the lift because your bag is too heavy. Lift is that side. Over there.
Cái lưng hụt mất nữa.
So we are at Taipei main station right now. Okay, so heading up towards the B1. So we're going to B1. So B1 is where information center, everything, the gate, everything. And then you can lead us to the hotel. How exciting is that? Moving. Moving, moving.
OK。Lady, lady, hey, lady.
Doors closing.
So this lift fit about
预办登机层到了。
24 people apparently.
Hotel check-in level.
But if you got luggages, it would be less than that.
1600 going down.
Go, 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 go.
1600. 1600 kg.
Wow. Look for the exit. All right. Well, over there, that's not the exit. That's the. Yep. Right. Who's leading the way? Who's got the map? So we're going to need our token to exit. I think you got to drop in the slot like a coin there. Exit. drop it in, and that's how you get out. Okay, next.
Go there, right?
Wait till close. Guess that. You're next. So with this token, you put it in, and then the machine will take the token, and then we can get out. See, just like that. All right, you got the map?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, I'll just follow you. So now we got the direction. We just have to follow the walking direction to the area. You need to go to toilet break or anything? Oh, there's a car outside already, so we're already out on the main road. Straight. So, see, you got the board here, the budget details, everything on the metro. Yeah, so. Yeah. Oh, there's a family mart there, so they got food here already. And everything else. What's that vending machine there? All along there. That's interesting. Look what they got there. So they got the beer, drink bottle, cafe, family mart there. This is the charger, earphone, power bank. They sell all this here on the vending machine. So we're going straight that way. Apparently it's only 5 minutes from here, so that's pretty good.
To the right, to the right.
To the right. Oh, there's a city mall there. City mall. Wow.
Ground exit here.
Ground exit, that's for taxi, yeah? Oh, we can go, yeah. But that's out that way, isn't it?
No, this way too.
Okay, so that's going to the train station, but
There,
yeah.
up there.
Gotta use the lift. The lift's there. Oh, it doesn't matter. We're here already. So we'll just take our time. Okay, we're here. I'm going to go to the men's.
What's this thing? This way.
But then we got to cross. Okay, so welcome to Taipei. Zoom out. That. So we're gonna walk across that way. Straight or not? Straight? Yeah, let's go. So we're going to cross. So welcome to Taipei. This is where things are. Got it? Got it? The road will be up there on the sign there. Hey, when you walk, it will change. You guys alright?
Once again.
You need a hand?
Yes, so go that way.
Go. Keep going, just follow you. Taipei. Hit the nice shop. Selling hats, the shop. Wow. You can ride your bikes here, it's nice. Wow. Hardly anyone walking on the street today. Easy street. What are you doing? Are you leading the way? Are you alright? Or you want me to lead?
It's just straight on.
Okay, perfect. I'll just follow you guys. Looks like you know where we're going now. Huh?